Timetable for students. A timetable is a great way to stay organized and on track with your studies. It can help you plan your time effectively and make sure that you are not overcommitting self. When creating your timetable, it is important to factor in all of your commitments, including classes, extracurricular activities, and work. You will also need to consider your own personal preferences, such as when you are most productive and how much time you need for breaks. Once you have created a rough draft of your timetable, it is important to review it and make sure that it is realistic. You may need to make some adjustments, such as moving classes around or times of your extracurricular activities. A timetable can be a valuable tool for students. It can help you